Welcome to MotorMav. Today, we will talk about Honda Civic ECU problems. So, watch this video till the end, you will get the idea. Problem number 1. Check engine light stays on. Check engine light going on without any reason is one of the most common Honda Civic bad ECU symptoms. In this case, if you notice, your Honda Civic's check engine light often remains on, you better contact your vehicle service provider. Problem number 2. Overheating. Your ECU can malfunction due to overheating. The ECU is often mounted beside the cylinder head, where it easily overheats and fails to work properly. For this, you can take assistance from the expert to place the ECU properly to avoid heat. Problem number 3. Fail to start. If the engine battery, fuel, and other components are working just fine and still the engine refuses to start, ECU is the one to blame. In this case, reach out to a servicing center to get your vehicle's ECU checked. Problem number 4. Engine misfire. A faulty ECU can create ignition problems. Wrong air-fuel ratio or wrong timing may lead to an engine misfire, jerking, and engine turning off. For this, you should go for a service check to examine the ECU. Problem number 5. Poor performance. 2004 Honda Civic ECU problems disrupt the process and create an imbalance in the air-fuel ratio. The timing also gets blundered. Hence, the engine fails to perform at its usual pace. To solve this, check the ECU system for any possible problems and seek professional help. Hope you now got some idea.